learnt 4 interesting things about Autel EV chargers that I don't think other competitors can do. Let's talk about warranty first. How long is it compared to your competitors?
Well, we offer a 5-year warranty to fully replace the whole unit.
Yep, and that's a parts warranty.
Yes, that's a pass-only warranty.
Okay, and then the brilliant bit with that is, part 2, the second thing that I just learned is that's really easy to remove with a simple tool.
This video was made thanks to generous support from the organizations and individuals on screen.
So how easy is it to self-remove, and is it legal to do that?
Yes, any people not an electrician can self-replace the unit just taking out of these 2 Allen key screws.
Okay, cool. Can you show us how it works? Yep.
Because we understand the Australian labor cost is quite high.
Yes.
So
okay.
Yeah.
There you go. Click and connect.
Yeah, there's a socket, just plug in.
Right.
Yeah, and there's a memory chip on the back plate. You don't need to take the back plate off, just remain there. And the memory chip remember all the data settings on the back plate.
Right.
So when you replace it, just clicking.
Cool.
Easy and
so you
nice.
get a new one just shipped by courier?
Yes.
Okay, awesome. Number 3, instead of having a separate payment terminal for every single AC street EV charger, you can have a payment kiosk just like a commercial paid car park. Can you show us how it works? So
yeah, basically just scan. Just need to touch the screen, and it will show 1, 2, 3, 4.
Cool. So you have 4 bays.
Chargers. Yeah.
And
just
you
select anyone you want to pay.
Yep, you can see the pricing, just like a parking meter. Wow, that's
right.
really simple and easy to use.
You don't need to download 100 of apps.
No.
And you just use your mobile phone or credit card to pay. Nice and easy.
So the good thing with that is, for the installer, it's cheaper to install. For the operator, it's easier to operate. Yes. And for the end user, it's simple because they don't need an app as well. So everybody wins.
That's right.
Yes, that's what we want. Okay. Now, the 4th thing that I just learned about Autel EV chargers, which is different from the competition, when that kind of unit is used in a commercial context, what's the difference?
For commercially use, you have dual OCPP platform, which means you can connect to both the online maintenance platform and the operation platform at the same time. I think we are the only one AC charger who is doing dual OCPP platform and OCPP 2.0. It applies on both our AC charger, dual pole AC charger, and all the DC series.
Awesome. That sounds like a really great way to make sure that the oversight of how the operations is working is really reliable and has redundancy.
Yes, and in terms of reliability, what all our design is trying to do is to save the labor cost and labor time. All our charger, the fault code is identified into a component level. So it will generate a report, tell you how to fix of any components, just like fans, just generating a fault report.
That's really good because you want to be able to action a fault and fix it easily.
Yes.
Perfect. Excellent. Thanks for your time, Ethan.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for liking, subscribing, and sharing my videos. It really helps me make more videos like this for you. And have a look at the suggested videos up above. I'm pretty sure you'll like those as well. Thanks, and see you later.